What's up, y'all? It's Manda. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy fam. As you can tell by the title, today I'll be showing you a quick cleaning routine for my living room and kitchen, and I'm starting off by getting all of my daughter's toys off of the floor and put away. Now, to those of you who have young kids, I'm sure you know the struggle of having to do this a lot, but hey, it comes with the territory. The good thing for me is that she'll chip in and help when she's needed or just because she wants to, so I love that. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more. After I'm done getting all of the toys off the living room floor, I move into the kitchen and clear off the toys and clutter that's on our island, and I put those things away. Y'all, you never really realize how many little small tiny pieces of toy items you have until you have to put those things away. Y'all, it gets real. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. Alright, y'all, so now that I'm ready to wash my dishes, what I like to do is go ahead and wash them in the sink, then move them to the dishwasher. And honestly, I've been doing this for a couple months now, and I find that when I take them out of the dishwasher, my dishes are shiny, they're sparkly, and I know for sure they are clean. I didn't always do this. I used to just go ahead and let the dishwasher clean my dishes, and then I would find that maybe they weren't getting the best cleaning that they should have been getting. So I like to go ahead and take this extra step just to ease my mind. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. So after I'm finished washing my dishes, I like to take my microfiber cloth with my Method all-purpose cleaner in the color lavender to be exact, and I go ahead and wipe down my surfaces in the kitchen. Y'all, if y'all don't already use Method, you should definitely invest in it for your home. You can use this for any surface that's non-porous. It smells good. They don't use harsh chemicals. It's safe for the environment, the family, and your fur baby. So if you don't already have it, you should definitely think about getting it. So another product I would definitely recommend you have in your home is the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I just about use this magic eraser for everything from stains in my backsplash to cooking marks on my stove to marks and scuffs on my walls. You can use it for your showers, for your bathrooms. Y'all, if y'all don't already have a magic eraser, make sure you get it, and I promise you, you will be thanking me later. Alright, y'all, so I'm not going to go into too much detail with how I clean my island chairs because in my deep clean video I showed you how I do them, so I definitely made this clip short. And as y'all can see now, I was cleaning my walls with the magic eraser just to get all those scuff marks out there. So I'm telling y'all, it works.
Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not want to give you more of my life.
Alright, y'all, so it's the next day. I ran out of memory on my memory card, but it's okay. We picked it back up the next day
with not much left to do, I'm just wiping down the table and taking out the trash.
Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa.
So after I finish doing that, I go ahead and sweep the floor. We typically have like a lot of food on the floor from our baby, but you know, also she's a toddler, they make messes. And yeah, so I just like to go ahead and sweep and then vacuum. Sometimes I'll sweep and then dust and then vacuum, but because it was a quick cleaning routine, I just decided to sweep and vacuum, and then just make sure all my tables and all of that are wiped down and everything looks in order.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake.
Alright, so for my final part in this cleaning routine, I like to Swiffer my floors. I just want to make sure that all of the pesky little food stains are out and all of the watermarks or anything, any dirt, any mud, whatever is cleaned off the floor. I like to walk in the house barefoot a lot, and nothing feels worse than walking on the floor and you feel like a bunch of sand under your feet. I don't know if y'all ever felt like that, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and Swiffer around the floor, and yeah, we're all done.
In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about